Amazon has introduced two new features for music. The first is called Amazon Cast, that allows you to send music from the Amazon Music app to your Echoes. The second is an equalizer, so you can adjust the sound coming out of your Echoes and be able to turn up the bass. But first, I want to say hi, my name is Craig and this is my Tech Talk. Here I do tech tips and reviews along with the weekly Echo series. Check out the description, I'll put links in there to the Echo so you can learn more about them or even buy one. This is week number 31 of my Echo series, and before we dive into this, I've changed the name of my devices to computer. That way I don't trigger your device at home. The first feature is called Amazon Cast. Amazon is creating its own wireless streaming protocol similar to Apple Play and Google Chromecast. Initially, this feature is only available with Amazon Music and using the Amazon Music app. But the idea is software developers will be able to implement this new way of streaming to connect to Echo devices from their own app. To use Amazon Cast, you open up the Amazon Music app. Let's open up Classical Focus Station. And initially you're not going to hear anything because it is doing a screen record right now and the music's going into my computer. Let's say I want to play it on this device right here. You hit the little icon on the bottom and I would select my Office device. Now we're streaming to here. Let's say we want to move it over to this device. Oh, I can't select this device until I disconnect. I have to select this device after disconnecting, and I can now listen to the music here. Now that the device is playing here, let's say I want to listen to something different. Computer, play Beethoven.
Shuffling songs by Ludwig van Beethoven.
Interesting, the must-have lullaby baby classics. You may be asking yourself, what's any different than just using the device with your voice? The difference is sometimes you might ask for a song, it doesn't find it. You want to play a playlist. It may not necessarily recognize what you're saying, and you may just run into communication issues or want to access stuff without having to bring up your device. So let's say I want to find something different. What's on the top of the charts? Oh, here we go. I've been liking their stuff more and more. Imagine Dragons. It gives you a little more choice and flexibility using it. And the idea is really this feature is meant to kind of expand to other developers, other streaming choices. It would be good to see more people implementing this. So I like where they're heading. I like that they're trying to expand beyond. So that's a little introduction to Amazon Cast. The next thing we're going to look at is the new equalizer that will allow you to adjust the sound of your Echo devices. We'll start off first on a regular Echo and how to set that up. Open up the Alexa app, select the gear in the bottom right hand corner. We'll look for the device we want to adjust. This is the Office. You'll scroll down to General to Sounds, click on Equalizer. From here you can make your adjustments. Let's start a song and we'll play around with it. Computer, play classic rock. Okay, here's something that has a good bass line. Let's say we adjust this. We need more bass. There we go. That's, too much bass. Now that's no bass. See the difference there? Full bass. Turn down the high end. Turn it up. And once you see the flash of lights, it's telling you that the adjustment's been made. Computer pause. So that's it. That's how you dial in your equalizer on a regular Echo. Let's say we want to adjust our equalizer on the Echo Show. Computer, play classic rock. We could swipe down, hit the settings button, go to sounds, equalizer, and maybe we need more bass. Okay, too much bass, let's say, right? Let's call that good. Let's say that's our sound dialed in. Computer, go home. And that's it. That's how you get the custom sound you want out of your devices. That's a little look at Amazon Cast and the new equalizer for your devices. I have a question for you. Do you see yourself using Amazon Cast with Amazon Music or adjusting your sound with the new equalizer? Let me know your answers in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If this is the first time you've watched one of these videos, please consider subscribing and hit that bell to be notified of next week's video. If you'd like to help support the channel, check out the description. There's an Amazon link in there. Bookmark that, and if you use it, Amazon will kick us back a little, which definitely helps in making future videos. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Have a great day. Bye.